In the world of travel, being vegan can be a challenge. But don't let that deter you from exploring the wonderful flavors of the world, ethically and healthily. The key here is forethought. Plan carefully, do your homework about the local cuisines and food habits of the places you're planning to visit. It's always wise to keep a vegan snack handy. This way, you'll never find yourself in a situation where your only options are non-vegan. On the power of the internet and technology to research well. There are numerous apps and websites that provide detailed information about vegan-friendly restaurants and foods in various cities. The world is not as hostile to vegans as one might think. There are cities like Berlin which can truly be described as a plant-based paradise. Then there are places like Tel Aviv where the streets abound with vegan options. These are only examples. The globe is peppered with vegan hotspots. Being mindful of your diet choices while traveling doesn't mean compromising on the experience. In fact, it might lead you to discover new foods' flavors you would otherwise miss out on. So venture forth, vegan voyagers, savor the world's flavors guilt-free. Tune in next time for more travel and lifestyle tips.